Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about SmartSheet, especially if you're a beginner. SmartSheet is a versatile work management tool that helps you organize projects, streamline workflows, and collaborate with teams effectively. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, keeping tabs on IT portfolios, or managing client deliverables, SmartSheet has everything you need to stay on top of your work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for SmartSheet, explain its key features, and give you tips to get the most out of this powerful platform. So let's dive in. Now, if you're new to SmartSheet, let me give you a quick overview. SmartSheet is a cloud-based platform designed to improve work management across various industries. Its features include task tracking, automation, reporting, and resource management. What sets SmartSheet apart is its spreadsheet-like interface, which feels familiar whilst offering advanced functionality. Teams use it for everything from project planning to budgeting, ensuring seamless collaboration and transparency. Now let me show you how to sign up for SmartSheet. The process is simple and quick. First, go to smartsheet.com. On the homepage, click the Try SmartSheet for Free button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the sign up page. On the first screen, enter your work email address and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in additional details, including your first name, last name, phone number, and job title. And it'll ask you to select your company size from the drop-down menu as well. Once you've entered all of this information, click Try SmartSheet for Free to proceed. After submitting your details, SmartSheet will send you a confirmation email. Open your inbox and look for an email from SmartSheet. Click the Confirm Email button inside the email to activate your account. Once confirmed, you'll unlock 30 days of business plan features that allows you to explore everything SmartSheet has to offer. And that's it. You're now ready to start using SmartSheet to organize and manage your work efficiently. Now let's explore the SmartSheet account interface. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and organized dashboard that helps you navigate through the platform easily. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu with several tabs designed to make your work seamless. The Home tab is your starting point. Here, you can access recent and favorite items quickly, giving you a convenient overview of your workspace. The Notifications tab helps you stay updated with real-time alerts about changes, comments, or updates to your shared sheets and projects. This ensures that you never miss an important update. With the search feature, you can locate specific sheets, tasks, or other resources in seconds, saving you time and effort when managing large projects. The Browse tab provides access to all your folders, sheets, and reports in one place, making it simple to find and organize your work. The Recents tab acts as a shortcut to your most recently accessed items, so you can quickly return to ongoing projects. In the Favorites section, you can pin frequently used sheets and resources for quick and easy access, ensuring your most important work is always within reach. The Resource Management tab allows you to efficiently manage your team's availability and resources, helping you allocate tasks and plan effectively. Through the Work Apps tab, you can create and manage custom applications tailored to your specific workflows, enhancing your productivity. Below that, there is a Start a New Project button, represented by a plus icon. This button allows you to create projects, programs, or processes. It's perfect for getting started quickly and organizing your work right away. The Launcher option, which is represented by the grid icon, provides access to extra tools and integrations. The Help tab provides guides, tutorials, and support resources to assist you whenever you encounter issues or need help. Finally, the Account Settings tab lets you update your personal and account preferences, giving you control over your SmartSheet experience. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about how to start a new project in SmartSheet. First, if you're wondering what a project in SmartSheet is, let me give you a quick idea. A project is like a digital workspace where you can plan, organize, and track all tasks and activities related to a specific goal. It helps you stay on top of everything, from timelines to team responsibilities. To create a project, make sure you're on the Home tab. Click the Start a New Project, Program, or Process button at the left side of this page, or use the plus icon on the left menu. This will take you to the Template Library page, where you can browse a variety of pre-built templates tailored for different types of work. If none of the templates templates fit your needs, you can start from scratch. For this tutorial though, let's use the simple project plan template. Once you click on it, a preview page will appear, showing how the template looks and giving a brief description. Click the Create From Template button to load it into the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see workspace items like a checklist, project dashboard, and task tracker on the left. These are designed to help you stay organized and keep everything in one place. Now you can customize the template based on your project's needs. You can customize task names to suit your workflow. Simply click on the template name at the top left side of the screen and it will become editable. Replace it with the name that best matches your project's specific needs. If you want to add a specific task within the workspace of this template, it's simple. Just click the Add button below the template name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, including sheets, reports, dashboards, folders, and even an import option. Click the item you want to add and it will be integrated seamlessly into your workspace. For example, if you want to add a folder to the workspace, simply select the folder option from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the folder name. Once you click OK, the folder will immediately be added to your workspace. Furthermore, if you want to add a separate workspace, you could do that too. Just click the Add button again, and this time select the workspace option. Once the new workspace loads, you can name it and add workspace items like sheets, dashboards, or folders as needed. When you're ready to share your project, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. You'll get two sharing options. Workspace, which gives access to everything in the workspace, or Sheet, which limits access to a specific sheet. Let's choose the Workspace option. A pop-up window will appear where you can add email addresses to invite collaborators. Next to each email, you can set specific access levels. Alternatively, you can copy a shareable link and distribute it to your team. If you follow these steps, you'll have a structured and organized project ready to go in SmartSheet. Now, let's take a look at SmartSheet's pricing options. SmartSheet offers 4 different plans: Pro, Business, Enterprise, and Advanced Work Management. The Pro plan costs $12 per member per month when billed monthly and is ideal for smaller teams with 1 to 10 members. Next up is the Business plan, which is SmartSheet's most popular option. It costs $24 per member per month. This plan is suited for larger teams of 3 or more members and includes unlimited guests and viewers. The Enterprise plan is designed for organizations with 10 or more members and comes with custom pricing. This plan is tailored to meet the needs of companies requiring complex solutions and enterprise-grade security controls. Finally, the Advanced Work Management plan is also custom priced and offers the best value for organizations managing large-scale portfolios of work. This plan is perfect for teams looking to connect systems and oversee high-level, multi-department projects seamlessly. SmartSheet is a cloud-based platform designed to improve work management across various industries. Its features include task tracking, automation, reporting, and resource management. What sets SmartSheet apart is its spreadsheet-like interface, which feels familiar whilst offering advanced functionality. Teams use it for everything from project planning to budgeting, ensuring seamless collaboration and transparency. And that's it for this tutorial. Today, we covered how to sign up for SmartSheet, explored its account interface, learned how to start a new project, and even looked at the SmartSheet plans. I hope this tutorial made everything simple and clear for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with SmartSheet, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.